Hi, thank you for joining us. In this video, we will talk about how to add your vendors to Zoho Books. Although it might be obvious, a vendor or a supplier is anyone who provides goods or services to your business. As you may already know, you must add vendors to your Zoho account for you to create purchase transactions like bills and purchase orders. There are two ways of adding vendors to Zoho Books. You can either create them from the vendor creation page, or import vendors into your account in bulk. Stick to this video to see what to do in each case. Let's start with creating a vendor from the vendor creation page. To add a new vendor, log into Zoho and head to the Purchases tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Vendors tab. You can then click the plus new button on top of the page. Remember, you can also just click this plus button next to vendors if you want to get to this page faster. You can then fill in the basic details like primary contact or company name. You must fill in the vendor display name, because it's the name that will appear on bills and purchase orders. Fill in the vendor's email, phone number and even website. Under other details, you should choose the currency with which the vendor deals. Remember that the currency you choose will be used in all the vendor's transactions. Where you pay vendors in multiple currencies, you will need to set up a separate vendor for each currency in use. Under payment terms, select the due date by which the vendor must be paid. Add a shipping and billing address. Under address, contact persons, other people to be associated with the vendor. Since Zoho Books has predefined fields, the Custom Fields tab allows you to assign entire bespoke values to the vendor record, based on your other operational requirements. You can start adding custom fields for your contacts by going to Settings, Preferences, and then Customers and Vendors. Reporting tags is where you assign a default value for the reporting tags of the vendor. This tab has many advantages, including helping you group vendors in different categories and assisting you to filter your business records. You may start creating reporting tags by going to More Settings and then Reporting Tags. Finally, you can add any additional information you may have on the vendor here. Under Remarks, after filling in all the details, click Save, and your vendor will be fully created. Moving on to the second method, where you import vendors into Zoho Books in bulk. This method is very beneficial when you are changing from your previous accounting software to Zoho Books. Like before, click on Purchases. Then click on the Vendors tab. Click this hamburger icon on the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Import Vendors. Click Continue on the pop-up window that appears. You will then be redirected to this page. Next to the Upload File tab, click the Choose File drop-down menu. You can select your document from your desktop, cloud, or Zoho Books documents. When selecting the file to be imported, remember Zoho Books only accepts these file formats. However, if you have a file in other formats, you can convert it to an accepted file format using conversion tools. It is important to make a choice on duplicate handling here. Duplicates occur when you import a vendor with the same details as a vendor you have already created manually. You can either choose Skip to keep the records on Zoho Books, or choose to Overwrite to replace the existing records with the new ones. Then click Next. Here, you have to map the fields in your import file to the corresponding field in Zoho Books. You can save these selections for future imports by clicking this box. Click Next. Only click Preview if you wish to check if you have made any errors. Then click Import. And that is how you create a vendor on Zoho Books. Thank you for watching this video. please like and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on Zoho Books.